Hi everybody, Chef Jana here, welcome back. Welcome to another episode of Comfort Vegan Food Made Easy, and today we're going to make a very nice breakfast. People, when they become vegans, they're like, oh my god, what am I going to eat for breakfast? Well, tofu scramble or scramble tofu. This is so easy to make. It's so delicious. It is so nutritious, packed with iron, lots of protein, antioxidants, vitamins, vitamin B, and almost zero fat. Only the fat that you're gonna add to fry it, and that's it. So let's get started. I have my very noisy pan here, heating on a medium low heat. We're gonna add oil. Today I'm gonna add grapeseed oil just because I feel like it. And grapeseed oil, a little bit like mustard, it gives a little bit of a smokiness to it. And as soon as it gets hot, you add the onions. And you saute the onions in a medium-low heat for approximately 5 minutes. It's funny because for omelets and for tofu scramble tofu, I like the onions a little bit more firm as opposed to overcooked, brown and golden brown. I really don't like that. I like to bite it, you know, the onions. So you saute them. You don't need to keep stirring. I just think it's incredibly satisfying to keep stirring onions. Yeah, I know it's weird. Chefs, we have those particular weird things. You let the onions do their thing, 5-6 minutes, and I'll be back. Alright, onions are looking good. Now we're going to add peppers. I have here orange peppers, and it's so nice because it's a hybrid between the yellow and the green, literally, and then they taste exactly like something in between, because I find the green pepper sometimes too much, and but if it's orange like that, then it's perfect. And again, you cook it as much as you want. Like I said before, I prefer my omelette to be, my scrambled tofu to be a little bit more, the vegetables to be a little bit more present, because the tofu is going to be really soft, so it's nice to have a little bit of a bite. Add a little bit of salt, so the onions and the peppers, they wilt. I want all that water out in the pan so they caramelize properly. Alright, it's starting to smell very nice here. Now, for the tofu, what we do, you just dry it a little bit, and then you make crumbles with your hands, like that. I'm using 1 package of tofu. I'm not sure how much I have here, but you've seen it's 1 block. Alright, now since we added another layer of food to our food, we're going to again season with salt. I'm gonna add just now 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, sweet paprika or smoked paprika. It gives a little bit of a depth if you add smoked paprika. And for that yellow color, that signature yellow color, half a teaspoon of curcuma. What I have here, it's very interesting. I have black salt, and it's very nice. It's from Himalayan, and it's very nice because this black salt, it has a lot of sulfur, so it imitates brilliantly the taste of eggs. So if you like eggs and you miss eggs, you add a pinch of the Himalayan salt, and you see, it will taste very interesting. It has that very pungent taste that eggs have. I don't know because I've never had eggs, so, but I can definitely smell them. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper, and I'm going to be generous because I love black pepper, and I love that cheesy taste to the scrambled tofu, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, nooch. If you think it needs a little bit of water, you can add the turmeric. It gives that yellow signature color that omelette have. Don't add too much, otherwise it's gonna get you that chalky taste on your tongue, so it's not good. Like in Indian food, when you go to Indian restaurants and then the curries, they, after you stop eating, when you finish, you have that chalky sensation in the tongue. It's because they added way too much turmeric. That's not good. We're not gonna do that. All right, guess what? It's ready. Very easy, very satisfying. It's a very good breakfast. It's a very nice way to start the day because it's packed with protein. It's wonderful to start the day. I always recommend that to my clients when they become vegans and they don't know how to compensate, because people used to have eggs in the morning. So this is just as easy to make. You can prepare and chop all the vegetables the night before, put it in the fridge, and then just open and throw it in your skillet, and you are done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some herbs. I always like to have some freshness. Just a little bit of parsley. You can add coriander, it tastes just as good. A little bit of parsley. And a drizzle of lemon, a squeeze of lemon. Because it's all about the balance between the acid and the base and the salt. And by the time you add the lemon, everything comes round. You know, all the flavors, they become round. All right, scrambled tofu is ready and asking to be tried. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, because I make the food and then I try it out with you guys. Okay, let's see. Oh my God. 1/3 of a teaspoon of the Himalayan salt, the black Himalayan salt. It makes all the difference. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. Very, very good. I'm very happy with this. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and follow on social media. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye.